Hello everybody. Welcome back again to my channel. I'm still here in my garden. Like what I said, that I can't get enough really to look and look my garden, because it's so really a green surround around, then nice breeze. And even if I'm alone here, but I enjoy watching my garden. So on the other day, I let Ondoy build a more shelves for plants or seedlings or etc. Or especially my lettuce, because I don't have any more uh, empty container. And ay, Jesus, I thought that's a snake. My God, let's look at that hanging one there. I thought it's a snake. So anyhow, sorry for that. I let Ondoy build a shelves. Then now that's already done here. And then let's check. Let's see what's Ondoy did here. So that's it, guys. The shelves. Ondoy did it. And on top of that, this is that pipe. I'm going to put I wanna plant there, but I used a can. So I will the lettuce that I have there, that is still on the pots there. Here you should see that there. That's the one I'm going to plant it here on top. So here below you should see this one. That's my that's all I can I can do, guys, because I don't have any empty bottle pop. So what I did here is I used the can. So the can is there's no holes there, and water is stay there, and the the plastic disposable is fit or his feet there. So that's my idea too. So I can plant everything here. And when here, if that's a big hole, then I just press it a little bit so it won't go the plastic disposable. So I just press a little bit so it will fit. And then what I did here to the glass, you should see this one, guys. You will laugh really. Might be you will say, what's wrong with Beth? So this is what happened, guys, if you need to look for some idea. So here it is, guys. Oh, see that? There's a water there. Then it fit too. See? Very funny. So these are all here empty cans. See? So most of it defeat to the plastic glass. So I am so happy too that it fit. Even the sardines can, it fit. It's so funny, really. Then I moved some here. I moved here because it will get wet there. And these are the project here. So might be here the empty shelf here is we will look for a empty soda pop. So it really looks good, very nice. There you go. So that's the project, and it turns so good. And this is good for today, guys. I'll be back later. Before you go, please don't forget to click likes and comments, and also subscribe. Thanks, everyone.